Packing my gym bag, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that many English learners might come across. Packing my gym bag. This phrase is more than just about preparing for a workout. It's a gateway into everyday English language use, focusing on action and preparation. Let's unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily life. Packing my gym bag might seem straightforward, but there's a lot packed into this simple phrase. Packing refers to the act of putting things into a bag, container, or any storage space. In this context, it's not just any bag, it's a gym bag, a specific bag used to carry items one needs for exercising or sports activities. This phrase encapsulates a routine action that involves planning, selection, and organization. When someone says they're packing their gym bag, they're thinking about what they'll need for their workout or sport. This typically includes clothing, such as workout clothes and socks, footwear, sneakers or specific sports shoes, hygiene products, deodorant, a towel, and maybe a shower gel. Equipment. Depending on the activity, it might include a water bottle, a yoga mat, or swimming goggles. Personal items, such as a lock for the locker, headphones, or a fitness tracker. This section isn't just about items. It's a lesson in vocabulary related to activities, planning, and personal care. In packing my gym bag, the verb packing is key. It's an action that we often do in preparation for something. Understanding verbs like packing, carrying, selecting, and organizing can help learners grasp the nuances of English, especially when it comes to preparing for different activities. Packing my gym bag is a simple phrase with deep roots in daily life, preparation, and planning. It teaches us about the importance of verbs, the specificity of nouns like gym bag, and the practical aspects of language use in routine activities. We hope this video helps you understand not just the phrase but also the broader context in which it's used. Keep practicing, and see how you can apply these insights into your daily English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.